spend just a minute reviewing an incredibly important concept of decimals. When you add a 0 to the end of a decimal point, it does not change the answer or the number, the value. That's the word I was looking for. So let's say I've got 2 3/10. That's the same as saying 2 30/100. That's the same as saying 2 300,000. They're all the same because I would represent them with 1, 2 flats and 1, 2, 3 longs. Same here. We would have 1, 2 flats and 1, 2, 3 longs because there's 0 hundredths. And it would be the same all the way across. Adding decimal points or adding zeros after the decimal point does not change the answer. Let's look at it in a different way. What if I said 3 equals 30? You know that's not correct because you know 3 and 30 are two different numbers. But if I said 3 equals 3 0/10, they work. 3 equals 3 0/100 totally works. It's the same concept with decimals. Now, you can't just add in a 0 whenever you want. Like I can't say 24 3/10 equals 24 300. Like you can't add a 0 in wherever. But if you have a decimal number, you can add a 0 to the end, and it makes it the same. That's the same as saying $24.30. $24.03 right there. You put the 0 at the end just to make it easier to read. 24 3/10, the same as 24 30/100. So today, we're going to really focus on adding decimals to the end because so far in decimal division, you haven't had any remainders. That's going to change today. We're not going to write them as remainders. We're going to add zeros to our dividend until the problem works out correctly. So let's go ahead, jump in, and get started.